Welcome my friends and welcome to a new video here on Gaming Fin. So this is my gaming industry portfolio all over, only gaming industry stocks, so that's very important. Of course I also invest in other stocks, but this is the gaming industry portfolio since I am of the opinion that I have a bit knowledge now in this field. So as I'm a gamer since a very long time, but also a stock investor since also a very long time now. So oh my god, time is flying, guys. So yeah, I would say the gaming industry is healing. The gaming industry is coming back. So you remember, my friends, so when we had all those videos about the massive crash after the bubble in 2022, after the pandemic bubble, then 2023, it was terrible year. We had all those layoffs in 23 going into 24, and then slowly, as I predicted back in the days, I said, so guys, 25, 26, the good times are coming back. And if you look at most of the gaming stocks now, they did a little comeback. So I say most because not all. Obviously, Ubisoft is still lagging. Pull-Up Entertainment also didn't really came back. Corsair, Unity, also stocks that have big issues right now or still have big issues. So therefore, my friends, so obviously it's not always all rosy. Some of the Polish gaming companies like 11-bit so bought some more shares just right now, and also Playway or other stocks or CI games even, they also have still a long way to get back to the bubble heights, if they ever going to be at the bubble heights. So let's be honest. So a lot of those stocks where I'm in the plus, I averaged down. I bought them when they were really low. Therefore, I'm obviously also in those stocks now in the plus. But hey, this is how it goes. So happy that we all have Microsoft holding up the torch, the crown of the best performing gaming companies, obviously out there. Since Microsoft is doing a lot of other things, So therefore, people sometimes say you cannot count Microsoft. But hey, guys, actually you can count Microsoft in a gaming company portfolio, because I mean, look at all those games they are bringing out and the massive numbers they are producing for the gaming industry. It's like also Tencent. You have to count Tencent as a gaming company. You have to count Microsoft as a gaming company. It's just how it goes. All right. So overall, $13,000 up, almost 12%, pretty good. Obviously, we were underperforming the market since we started this portfolio. That's something I have to say here. So obviously, if you were investing in an S&P 500 ETF index fund, or however it's called in your country, an MSCI World or something. So no financial advice, no recommendation to buy anything, guys. I'm a retail investor. I'm a YouTuber. This is for fun, entertainment, and information only. Don't buy anything you see here. You probably would lose your money. So therefore, market value $125,000. I'm happy about that. I'm happy that I'm overall in the plus, even that obviously Microsoft helped me a lot in this sense. But even without Microsoft, I would actually be now in the plus if I count it correctly, since I already sold, like, for example, Activision Blizzard last year. It has been acquired by Microsoft, as you remember. CD Projekt having the good run. CD Projekt really pulling this portfolio, I have to say. Ubisoft still today a down day. So I mean, it's a whole story. Wait and see and hold. Wait and see and hold. That's what it is. That's Ubisoft right now. So what is going to be with this entity? We can talk about it again and again and again, and then probably we're not getting a final answer until Yves Guillemot is really starting to give us clear information what happens with the value, with the assets of the shareholders of Ubisoft. Am I going to be just an indirect shareholder of this new entity, which is what I read rumors is going to be led by Yves Guillemot's son? Was it his son? Yeah. So therefore we will see. So obviously the market doesn't like it, but if we would see a positive catalyst here, Ubisoft obviously has a chance to get those 40% that I'm down now back very quickly, and then I hope that we get into some normality. We need normality for Ubisoft. At the moment, it's a disgrace For investors, it's a disgrace. And the company, as much as I like the games, I think they shouldn't concentrate only on Assassin's Creed games, obviously. But I want to see more here. So Ubisoft really has to now step up. So it's not can't continue like that. Take-Two, GTA coming out soon, so obviously it has a good run. Let's see how it develops over the next month when GTA is then released. Is this a sell the GTA release moment? So it's very much possible. CI Games, guys, do you remember when CI Games was 120 and I told you I buy more? I made a lot of videos about this, so I don't have to say more about this. So I never said to anyone buy this stock. I'm just saying, hey, I like the stock. I like the stock and the story, and I'm obviously up 37%. Square Enix also up today. Pull Up Entertainment. Yeah, I'm going to also make some videos on my gaming channel, since Pull Up Entertainment is bringing out some new games. So let's hope they not are going to F it up, because they have a good chance actually as a conviction French gaming company to really take the crown from Ubisoft at one point with some good solo player character story driven titles. So let's see. At the moment still down. Frontier is like ping pong, bam bam bam, it goes like 5% in this direction, 6% in the other direction, etc. So well, overall I'm up. Nexon, happy 25%. So I told you at around about 14-15, I told you saying I think I buy more, and then it went so fast. It's always the same. It goes up with the elevator to the top. No, actually it actually goes up steps and then it goes elevator down, but sometimes stocks go up with the elevator and then they stop and then they go up again with the elevator, and then most people are simply missing the moment. Digital Pros, Wushang, I'm up. I'm happy to see I'm up. Do I want to buy more? I think I'm happy with the position I have here. 11-bit, I just told you, I bought more for like 500 euros, bought a bit more 11-bit. If you look at the chart, it's a decent chart. So for the first time since a long time, I'm actually now in the positive here. Look at this, in the positive with 11-bit. So CD Projekt, CI Games, and 11-bit and the positive. Nice to see. Bandai Namco still great to see. Tencent. I wonder if I get in the positive here. Yeah, I mean, Tencent was one of those stocks when they were really low. Good opportunity to buy more, but then people didn't dare to do it. Everplay, Team 17 also decent now. A little bit down today, nothing special. Asmodee. I mean, Embracer sucks. At the moment, Embracer sucks. Even that I love some of their games, but they have to change something. They lost so much trust and so much confidence of investors. So I don't know how they win this back, to be honest. So Asmodee, it's good to see that it's soon trading again at the price they were giving it to me, because that's the price they were giving it to me. So when they split it from Embracer. So we're still not even there. We're still under the price of the split. See at this. Corsair doing a little bit better, but I doubt that we're going to see the $27 anyway anytime soon. Paradox, good to see also a bit in the plus. Just let it run right now. Unity also do nothing here. Unreal is really eating their cake. So I don't know where Unity actually stands right now with their future plans. So since I have quite some money invested, so I'm in the minus, obviously. Would be interesting to see where Unity can create this value in the future. Playtika, this was obviously one of those companies where I was mistaken, since we are more or less now at the 489 and we are remaining there. Capcom, also mistaken that I didn't buy more. Even Electronic Arts, also mistaken. I could have bought more Electronic Arts. It's a great company. Then we have Remedy coming slowly back. I want to buy some more. Actually, I want to see Remedy fall a bit more at the moment. Not so interesting to buy at this price. Still, I'm in the minus. Playway, actually, I have an order in to buy some more. some 10 more stocks I would buy. I think Playway has a business case with cheap, let's say, with games they bring to the market in an extremely quick way. So the business model of Playway still works. So they're in together with 11-bit, with CI Games, with CD Projekt. I see for Playway as one of the Polish gaming companies way to the upside overall. Is it happening right now? I can't tell you. Yeah, Nintendo Switch 2 released, and Nintendo is holding up. So I'm surprised. I'm surprised and actually happy about that. So not bad. Bigben. Someone in Paris just decided that Bigben might be a little bit cheap at under €1. So someone bought a lot. So this could be an opportunity now, because when sometimes something gets so cheap, it's an opportunity to go like 20-30%. But and then you're stuck like in the minus area. So it's a very tricky one. Ultimate Games do nothing, Thunderful do nothing, Starbreeze do nothing, and DontNod. Yeah, yesterday I was writing on X a post that I actually consider selling my DontNod stocks. I mean, look at 82% down, and yeah, I'm looking at this very sad story for a long time, and I'm actually a bit sad for it because they have some good games, but then they announced this new game, and they go again full woke. And I don't know why they do it. I mean, haven't they seen that it simply doesn't work? They simply don't sell. They simply don't sell enough copies of the game. You don't sell copies of the game. Stop going full woke. Dude, the CEO, honestly, I mean, I read everything, and I'm really so positive with them. I really like them overall, but they're not selling copies of their game. My friends, this is an honest, sincere advice. Take it or leave it. The stock is now at almost €1. Take it or leave it. We were coming like from 5 to 50. Look, 82%. I'm a retail investor. I'm 82% down in DontNod Entertainment stock, and I bought the stock when it was already falling. It's a complete falling story. I can show. Let's show you let's show you here. Here, where is my DontNod chart? Here we go. Where's my DontNod chart? Let's look. Where is it? Where do I have it? Did I already delete it? Probably I already deleted it because I'm just angry. Here we go. That's my DontNod chart. So look on the max chart. That's the story of this company with a market cap of 13.62 million. And they are not giving the majority gaming community a non-woke game. Your politics are simply not working. It's not working, guys. Oh yeah, but the stock went up 50%. Yeah, 50% from what? From 71 cents? From 70 cents? Guys, come on. I need a pause. Alright, guys. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.